Oh no. Hey yo, this your boy Tulu, man, back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How y'all doing? Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. Hey, keep growing, keep grinding, keep doing your thing. You heard me? Hey, if everything ain't going right for you right now, just wait 5, 10, 15 minutes. Tomorrow, maybe next week, you could definitely be in a better situation. So look, chin up, keep trucking, man. Hey, this is just gonna be a quick one, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully everything works out, but I just wanted to kind of give y'all an update on this doggone rear tail light harness, man. So let me flip y'all around. I just want to show y'all something, and I mean, hopefully this just be able to help somebody out, man. All right, so what I did, right, y'all remember that we only had one running light right here, and none of the running lights over here worked, right? We had brake signals and everything, right? Okay, so what I did, I made me a jumper from here to this one, right? Now watch this, watch this. Y'all bear with me. Bear with me, bear with me. I'm just trying to let y'all see what's going on because, hey, I'm learning as I go as well. Boom, we got the lights on. Oh, man, I don't have them hooked up. Hold on. All right, y'all, we just had to plug the tail light back in. All right. So, boom, like I said, I hooked that jumper wire up from this light that was working to this brown wire. It's the brown wire is your running lights on this harness. So it turned the lights on, and then I noticed it turned these other lights on too. So I was like, oh man, because I never paid attention that this side was not working, right? All right, now y'all see that? And also this side was still not working, so I made a jumper off of that to this one, brown wire, and now you see we got running lights on both sides, all the running lights. So I was like, it definitely has to be something in the harness. So what I did was I just looked at this right here, my old harness, and I just trying to troubleshoot, man. Shout out to my dude 84. He was sitting with me, we were just thinking about how everything runs and everything. So everything comes out of the plug. The brown wire comes in through here, and what it does is crimped right here, right? And it has all 4 wires that go to each running light on this side, and then it has the other 2 wires that run down as a daisy chain to the other lights, right? So I was like, man, let me just check to see if something is wrong in that little area. So by just looking at it, now I don't know if this is the problem yet, by just looking at it, hold on, let me see if I can zoom in for y'all. Look at that. So where it's all connected at, where the brown wire just all corroded and just looks horrible, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut this part off, trim them back a little bit, and then we're gonna just put a wire nut on it for the time being. I mean, I got something else to put on it if it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna make sure that I do take my little leads right here off, my little jumpers off, to just see if that's gonna make it work. All right, man, let's do it. All right, y'all, so I just because they were kind of too short, I put some wire nuts on those too, just to connect them, and hey, here goes nothing, man. Let's try it to see if that was the issue. Now first thing we need to do is cut our little jumpers that we got right here. Cut these jumpers. All right, gotta hook the battery back up. Man, cross y'all fingers, man. I hope that's the issue, bro. I hope that was the problem. They're on. Yo. Okay, now I do see I don't think those wires are hooked up good under there. So, hey, man. All right. So that was the problem right there. So let me connect this side, and hey, that's, man, hey, look, troubleshooting sometimes, man, you're gonna go through it for real. You're gonna go through it, man. I doggone sure don't like wiring. But yeah, let's get these right here hooked up under there, and I am gonna connect them with a quick connect. Well, not a quick connect, but I forgot the name of these little things here, these little heat shrink. It take 2 in one side and 3 wires in the other side. So we're gonna use it like that. Let's get it. All right, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all something else, because I did have them connected down there, right? So I just traced this one over here, and look at this side, man. Oh man, hold on, let me try to, man, yeah, my hands is all beat up. Dang, come on, focus, man, focus. Lord. But anyway, as y'all see, like, that wire is doggone, it's corroded real bad too. So hey, let me do the same thing to this side. And this harness just keeps up giving up surprises, man. I just looked at that and also realized my tag light was not working either. So let me I got some ends in there like this. I'm gonna try to clean this up, but I got some ends in there like that. I could probably just rework that. Man, whew, let's get it. Yes sir, we got all of our lights on, man. Yes sir, yes sir. Oh my goodness, man. All right, so I'm gonna tell y'all, okay, I did clean this little one. Good gracious, focus, man. But anyway, I did come on, focus, man. I don't know, I did clean this little piece right here off, but then down here I just traced it, looked back on it, and this little piece right here, it had this little connector on it, man. And then when I opened this little connector, if you look down in there, man, it was like real corroded and everything down in there, like it just looked bad. But man, bam a lamb, we got running lights, baby. We got running lights. So let's just go through it. We got all the lights on now. Well, I don't know, I think my tag light right there is blown. All right, so let's just run through it real quick. Boom. All right, so we should have brakes. All right, and then let me just. All right, right turn signal. Oh no. Hold on, something just, oh, I think I need to, I don't know, I just look weak. I think I need to correct that wire over there. Oh man, but I think we got reverse light. I think it's in reverse. No, it's not in reverse. Lord, I don't know. I had to be driving it for it to turn. All right, we got reverse light. Man, those lights look dim over there though. Oh. All right, man. So what I probably do, just to correct that, because I got them other wires hooked up on there too, so I gotta clean that back up. And man, we gonna get these thrown back together, man. Hey, y'all, for real. Hey, that was definitely rough, and junk had me stressed out. But hey, look, man, I took me a little break, got back to it, and we kind of figured out the issue, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, get the other wires off of there, get it bandaged up, you know what I'm saying, in the right places, and hook it up the right way instead of just like with the twisted wire that I got. Man, hey, look, hey, I appreciate each and every single one of you, man. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn that notification bell to on, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all, man, for tapping in with your boy and giving me the motivation to keep going, giving me ideas, giving me things to check, man. I truly appreciate it, like for real. Till next time, man, let's get it. All right, man, we got all our lights on, working. This is kind of weird, though. This light is extra bright. And we got all the running lights on and everything. Now, turn signal works as well. Turn the signal light on. They work, but it's like the running light in it is not going off. That light is bright. Okay, and then when I turn it on the left one, same thing. And it's moving, blinking slow. That one's barely, you can't see it. Yeah, that's it.